The new STIHL HTA 66 and HTA 86 cordless pole pruners are ideal for professional and domestic users who need a reliable tool for tree care and maintenance. Lightweight, quiet and emission-free, these pole pruners are part of our AP system of battery-powered tools, so the batteries are interchangeable with over 25 other tools in the range. The HTA 66 is the fixed-length version, which weighs in at just 3.8 kilograms and measures 2.4 meters in length, while the HTA 86 has a telescopic shaft, so can be extended to 3.9 meters if you need more reach. Both can be used in wet conditions and feature a simple operation, which means they can be started and operated easily whether you are left or right-handed. The high-quality EC motor gives fast acceleration, so you can get the job done quicker, and the 1/4-inch Picco Micro 3 saw chain gives a clean, precise cut every time. It's quick and easy to fill the oil tank using the toolless tank cap, and the robust branch hook here means you can remove loose clippings from branches in a flash too. Both the HTA 66 and HTA 86 are perfectly balanced when used with the recommended battery, and the shaft itself has anti-slip protection for a more comfortable and secure grip. STIHL lithium-ion batteries also feature clever technology that means that the power doesn't reduce as the battery life decreases. You'll get constant power with the HTA 66 and 86 all the time that there is charge left in the battery. Working time with the recommended AP200 battery is 42 minutes in both the HTA 66 and 86. To find out more, visit stihl.co.uk or your nearest STIHL approved dealer.